Hey everyone, ready to earn passive residual income? The kind that keeps coming in month after month and year after year. Let's talk about the rank and rent business model. Think of it like owning property, but instead of physical property, it's digital and online. Imagine you make a website, get it to the top of Google for something specific like plumbers in Chicago, and then rent it to local businesses. They get new customers and you get paid. Easy peasy. So how does this work? First, you build a website for a specific type of business in a specific place. Don't worry, we'll teach you how, or let our AI tool build it for you. Next, you make it easy for Google to find, so it shows up high in search results. We'll teach you how to do this as well. Then you relax while the website gets visitors and finds potential customers. We'll teach you how to price it the right way. Finally, you rent it to businesses that want those customers. And bam! You're making money without lifting a finger. Business owners love this because it's affordable and gets results. They get new customers without the headache of dealing with website stuff. And you? You have digital assets that you own and control. You get paid regularly and have more time to do what you enjoy. After you finish our course, you'll know how to create these money-making websites, build your online portfolio of digital assets, and maybe even become financially free. Imagine getting rent money every month from lots of websites, owning valuable online properties, and making even more money by focusing on profitable businesses. We'll teach you how to find the right markets and most profitable niches. You'll also get templates, contracts, scripts, and everything else you need to have success if you just follow the system step by step. Oh, and there is also tech support, coaching, and mentoring through Zoom calls, so you are never on your own. Ready to change your business and your life? Join our Rank and Rent course and start building your online empire today. Subscribe now, and let's make your passive income dreams come true.